Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a fall from day's high. In the morning, markets were trading very firmly in green. But what happened? There was some news that said that the SEBI has directed AMFI to make sure that the fund flows to mid-cap and small-cap mutual funds is being moderated. So, clearly SEBI is feeling that there is a froth in mid-cap and small-cap spaces. In fact, if you can remember my last Saturday video, I mentioned exactly the same. The mid-caps and small-caps, now the risk-reward is not in your favor if you want to invest now. I clearly said avoid investing in mid-cap and small-caps. I said even large-cap also you avoid investing. If at all you want to invest, maybe the stocks that has corrected very much from the recent high like Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank. Okay, so that you can start looking at putting some money here and there in SIP. So, in fact, coming Saturday also, I am coming out with a video why the risk reward is not favorable at this point of time for both traders as well as investors. Okay, now our market is already very fragile. Ever since this HDFC Bank result came, whenever it goes up, it comes down. And the bank Nifty has fallen more than 1000 point. How many times in the last 6 weeks? Ever since the first more than 1000 point fall came on the day when HDFC Bank declared the results. HDFC Bank declared results on 16th of January and 17th January, there was a 1500 point gap down in bank Nifty and closed about 2000 point lower. So from then, many times, there were a number of times bank Nifty has fallen more than 1000 point from intraday high to low, and today is also one of them. Logically speaking, the SEBI directive came for the mid caps and small caps, not for the large caps. But why large caps are also falling? So there are two schools of thoughts. One school of thought is that mid cap and small cap froth is there, then large cap froth may not be there, but the upside potential may be limited, right? In fact, in the beginning of this year, like world analysts said, Japan, Vietnam and India, these three countries are look promising, but FIIs keep on selling every day. I think yesterday also FIIs were net sellers for more than 1000 crore. And that is one thing. Second thing, the markets are so fragile because of this HDFC Bank. Even today also, the morning markets were higher because of TCS. Otherwise, the HDFC Bank, is always, has a big problem for the market now. And now the Reliance also started falling. So, one school of thought is that, when there is a froth in mid cap and small cap, how can the large cap go higher? Now, another school of thought is that, the people are willing to put the money, no matter what happens. Retail people put the money. And then SIP is also at a record high. So, money keep on flowing into the markets. So, now if the flow to mid caps and small cap is being moderated, then what will happen? Logically, the money will be flowing into the large caps. So, the mid cap and small cap may underperform, but large cap may outperform. So, this is another school of thought. So, which school of thought is correct? We will know maybe after 1 month or 2 months. But right now, this SEBI triggered news, it's creating havoc in the market. So, moreover, coming closer to expiry, so this kind of news can have more impact because, people would have sold put option, to manage that they have to go short in future, that can propel the market even further down. So, lot of things can happen, and I don't know, like this kind of, very important, very market affecting news, I think SEBI should not give closer to the expiry, and probably they should have given in Friday evening, so that, at least Saturday, Sunday, so, the sanity will return to the market. So, tomorrow going to be further selling or the sanity will return to the market. So, we have to wait and see. And today FII data is still not out, but there is it's anybody's guess. Probably FII would have sold heavily, the domestic institution would have bought heavily. Right? Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 1000 points, right, due to FII selling or whatever it is, and then I think that is where the domestic institution would have came to prop up the market. The Bank Nifty shot up 350 points from day's low, then end of the day, the entire 350 point, it came down once again. So it's totally a disappointing, the bulls, it's a very big blow for the bulls because the Nifty closed decisively below 22,000 and weighted average close is indicating around 21,950, but the actual closing is around 21,900. So this is really very, very bad, more than 300 point fall in Nifty. So we will see whether tomorrow the sanity returns to the market. Hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.